Okay, my lovely people, so I'm just going to quickly explain this week's work again. If you did Unit 5, it's pretty much the same exact thing. The only difference is it is Unit 6. So I'm going to use Period 3 as an example. I'm going to click on Period 3's channel, and once Period 3 opens up, it will be on the Posts page. You need to click on Class Notebook to get to our class notebook. And then once you're there, the welcome page will come up again. And then this arrow to the left-hand side is like your back button. So this is how you get to your navigation panel. Obviously, once again, all of these names will not be here, but your name will be. So you need to click on your name. And then once it comes up, we already did Unit 5, so you're done with Unit 5. You'll need to click on Unit 6. And then all of Unit 6 will be here for you. So office hours is the first page. The second page is the to-do list for the week once again. And then the third page is the overview. So you're watching a short video, answering 3 questions. The fourth page is your vocabulary. You're just highlighting and all of that stuff again. And last is your practice. Now, I know for some of you who were playing Kahoot with us, you heard Levan got on, so you only have 5 questions for this week because he did all of his work. Thank you, Levan. So very easy equations to do, and if you need some extra help, like you forgot how to do them, this video is like a recap to help you practice more. Okay? So that's pretty much it for the week. If you have questions, I'm on here, Instagram, and class website. All right? Have a great week, you guys.